In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product to your Sellfy store in just a few simple steps. Whether you're setting up a digital or a physical product, I'll guide you through the process so your items are ready to dazzle your customers. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you need to log into your Sellfy account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, head over to the Products section on the left-hand side of your screen. When you click on it, you'll notice an option that says Add New Product. But if you're looking to make changes to something you've already started, you can choose to edit an existing product instead. This flexibility allows you to manage your store with ease, ensuring your product lineup always looks its best. When you decide to add a new product, you'll be presented with some choices. Ask yourself, is this a digital product, a physical item, or something else entirely? This decision is crucial as it determines the subsequent steps you'll take in setting up your product. Let's say you're adding a digital product. The Upload section appears, inviting you to either drag and drop your files or use the Browse button to select them from your computer. It's as simple as that. If your product happens to be physical, the procedure is quite similar, though you'll also have the opportunity to add images to showcase the item from various angles. Once you've handled the main files for your product, it's time to add some flair with product preview images. On the Add Product or Edit Product page, locate the section aptly named Product Preview Images or something similar, and start uploading the images that will captivate and inform potential buyers. All you need to do is click to select an image file from your computer. Remember, supported formats typically include .png and .jpg/JPEG, so stick with those for best results. Want to upload several images? Sellfy gives you the advantage of adding up to 50 images or videos per product. This is your chance to really show off your product's best attributes from every conceivable angle. After getting your images in place, take a moment to look them over. Ensure they accurately represent your product and provide a clear view for potential customers. Finally, don't rush off just yet. It's crucial to remember to hit that Save button after you've finished adding all the relevant product details. This ensures all your hard work is securely saved and ready to be published for the world to see. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add new products to your Sellfy store, complete with beautiful, eye-catching images. Follow these steps and you'll make a lasting impression on your customers, setting your store up for success. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.